So in my computer keyboard I am creating a white diamond in square using keyboard shortcut. So you can see this is the symbol. You can see a diamond. You can see white diamond we are created inside a square. So we are creating this symbol in Microsoft Word. So to create this symbol using keyboard shortcut is shown in this video. So you keep in remember this keyboard shortcut Alt 9931. Okay, I'll show you how to create. So suppose in your computer if your number lock is off, you must turn on the number lock. Now you can see an Alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press this Alt key. It means that you did not remove your finger from this Alt key. At the same time here you must type 9931. So after typing 9931 you can simply release your finger from this Alt key. So if you do like that, then you can see that this symbol have been arrived in our computer. So for creating a white diamond in square, you must follow this keyboard shortcut Alt 9931. For more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.